Yes. Hello, friends. Today we are going to solve question number 62. Again, a very good question, which came in 2017 in CBSE. So, here we go with this question. Balance sheet of Madhu and Vidhi, who are sharing profits in the ratio of 2 is to 3, as at 31st March 16 is given below. Okay. So, children, Madhu's capital, Vidhi's capital, general reserve we distribute in partners capital account. Bills payable is given. Land and building, machinery, stock, debtors, provision and bank, all these items are given. Let us see what is given. Madhu and Vidhi decided to admit Gayatri as a new partner from 1st April 2016, and their new profit sharing ratio will be 2 is to 3 is to 5. Children, we can see here the ratio of Madhu and Vidhi was 2 is to 3, and after admission again their ratio is 2 is to 3. It means their sacrificing ratio is also 2 is to 3. Gayatri brought 4 lakh as her capital and her share of goodwill premium in cash. Fine. Goodwill of the firm was valued at 3 lakhs. So first working note we need to prepare for the calculation of the part of Gayatri's goodwill. Clear, children? Second, land and building was found undervalued by 26,000. So it will come in revaluation account. Provision for doubtful debts was to be made equal to 5% of the debtors. So children, we need to make 5% provision for doubtful debt. Again, revaluation. And there was a claim of 6,000, you can see, on account of workman compensation. And here there is in liability, there is no workman compensation. So again, it will come in revaluation account. So first we will calculate goodwill of Gayatri. Okay, I will start. First we calculate the goodwill of Gayatri. Goodwill of Gayatri. Okay, so we can see in firm's goodwill it is given 3 lakh, and Gayatri share is 5 by 10. So the goodwill of Gayatri is 1,50,000. So this amount of goodwill Gayatri bring in, and because of sacrifice by both the partners, Madhu and Vidhi, both are sacrificing in 2 is to 3, 2 is to 3. So Madhu and Vidhi will get 1,50,000 in 2 is to 3. So 1,50,000 divided by 5, 30,000. So 60,000 Madhu will get and 90,000 Vidhi will get. Okay, dear children, it is clear. Hmm? Madhu, Vidhi, and Gayatri. The old ratio of Madhu is 2 is to 3, and the new ratio of Madhu, Vidhi, and Gayatri is 2 is to 3 is to 5. So you can see the ratio of MV, Madhu, and Vidhi is not changing. So that's why the sacrificing ratio is also 2 is to 3. Now I will prepare revaluation account. Dear children, a revaluation account. First point under this. Land and building was found undervalued. It means we need to increase land and building by 26,000. And when we increase, where it will come? Credit side by land and building 26,000. Okay. Now let's see. Provision for doubtful debt was to be made equal to 5% on debtors. So 5% of debtor, 5% of 3 lakh will be 15,000, but 10,000 provision is already given. So it means we need to create only 5,000. So it will come in debit side to provision for doubtful debts. Only 5,000 will come. I hope it is clear. There was a claim of 6,000 on account of workman compensation. Okay, dear children, and there is no workman compensation reserve. So again, this is a liability. So to workman compensation claim, liability is increasing. How much? By 6,000. All points are over, dear children. You can see here. So we can calculate profit or loss. So the total of credit side is 26,000, and 26 minus 6, 20, 20 minus 5, 15,000. So 15,000 is the gain on revaluation. To gain on revaluation is transferred to partner's capital account, dear children. Okay, so old partners Madhu and Vidhi in their old ratio 2 is to 3. So let us divide 15,000 into 2 is to 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 15 by 5, 3,000. 3 to just 6. And 3 3 ja 9,000. I hope revaluation account is clear to everyone. Who, Vidhi and Gayatri. Madhu, Vidhi and Gayatri. So children, partners capital account starts from credit side. So we start with credit side by balance brought down. Let us see their capital. Madhu and Vidhi's capital is 520 and 3 lakh. So 5 lakh 20,000 and 3 lakh. Okay. Gayatri brought capital by bank. How much? Gayatri brought 4 lakh as her capital. So we write by bank 4 lakh. Okay. Then revaluation profit is there, children, Madhu and Vidhi. You can see. So we can write here by revaluation account. This is the gain of revaluation. Okay, 6,000 and 9,000. Let us see, is there any general reserve given? Yes, general reserve is given here, 30,000. That will also distributed. So we distribute general reserve by general reserve in old ratio. That was 30,000. 30,000 divided by 5. 6. 6 2 is 12. 6 3 is 18,000. Okay. Now you can see, dear children, the treatment of goodwill. Uh, we have already created the working note for goodwill. 60,000 M will get and 90,000 V will get. 60,000 M will get and 90,000 Vidhi will get by premium for goodwill. I hope it is clear to everyone. All these points are clear, isn't it? So let us do the total. To balance carried down 5,98,000, 4,17,000 and 4 lakh. These are the balancing figures. I hope this point is clear, dear children. Now we will prepare balance sheet with the capital side. Capital of Madhu, Vidhi and Gayatri. It will be 5,98,000, 4,17,000 and 4 lakh. Let me do the total. 5,98,000 plus 4,17,000 plus 4 lakh. It is 14,15,000, dear children. I hope it is clear. So let us see what else is given in the balance sheet. General reserve is distributed. Bills payable is 1,50,000. There is no change in bills payable. You can see 1,50,000. Okay. Then all points are over. There is one more point, claim of 6,000. So workman compensation claim will come here in liability side 6,000. Then let's start with the asset side. Land and building was found undervalued, so we need to increase. So land and building increased by 26,000, so it would be 3,26,000. Machinery, there is no change in machinery, 2,80,000. 2,80,000. Then stock 80,000. There is no change in stock also. Stock 80,000. Then debtors 3 lakh. 3 lakh. But there is a change in provision, dear children. Less provision. Now provision is 15,000. So 3 lakh minus 15,000, children, we get 2,85,000. Okay. And bank 50,000 is given. In this 50,000, what we add? We add the capital of new partner. The capital of new partner is 4 lakh. 4 lakh. And the amount of goodwill what he brought. Goodwill he brought 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 plus 52 lakh plus 4 lakh, 6 lakh. Okay, dear children, all these points are over. Yes. So let us do the total for balance sheet. 21,000. Yes, children, the total of both sides are equal. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Yes, dear children. Thank you. Thank you for watching, my dear children.